Hello guys and girls, in today's video I'm walking you through another trade that I did take this week. You will see how I spotted the setup, executed the plan and came out on top, all while using a strategy so simple that it might just blow your mind. All of these guys and girls is just about showing you that success in forex trading isn't magic. It's a process that you can learn and replicate. You can see this trade was taken on volatility 100 index and it was a sell position. So why did we enter a sell position on volatility 100 index? That is the question that we must ask yourself. So in order to get an answer to this question, we must know that we must start gathering our information on the highest time frame. And if you are a day trader, mean the highest time frame that you must always start doing your analysis on should be the daily time frame. Why? Because we are a day trader and we must start doing analysis on the daily time frame. So let us first gather the information that the market provided us with on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see that this market was moving very beautifully, very sexy on a downtrend motion. You can see we have our series of lower lows and lower highs. But this series of lower lows and lower highs came to an end the moment the market broke past this lower high right here. Why? Because as it is said, when the market is moving in a downtrend direction, all right, the downtrend direction is said to be over if the market breaks past this level right here. So technically you can say the market on volatility 100 index currently is on an uptrend direction. You can see the market now is starting to move, providing us with series of higher highs and higher lows. This is how the market currently is moving on volatility 100 index. So we said, okay, now we know how the market is supposed to move on an uptrend direction. How does the market always moves in an uptrend direction? Very simple. The market moves providing us with series of higher highs and higher lows. This is how the market is supposed to move on an uptrend direction. So on this illustration right here, you can come and realize that, okay, once the market starts to move, providing us with series of high highs and high lows by break of this structure right here, then it means the market has to come back to retest. So we can see right here, there is this retest phase. But these guys and girls, all of this information, we are getting them on the daily time frame. So this retesting nature of this market right here until this area of liquidity is a lot of pips, because mind you, we are on a daily time frame. So although the market is on an uptrend direction, you cannot just stay idle. All of these pips just moving past you, all of these pips, almost 3,000 pips. You cannot just stay idle because you said, okay, this market is moving in an upward direction. I'll just wait for the market to come to this area of liquidity so that I can buy. Why? Because the market is on an upward direction. Well, yeah, technically you are correct, but if you were on the lower time frame, but this guys is on a daily time frame. This is a lot of pips on this retesting phase, a lot of pips, and you can make a whole lot of money. So after knowing the intended direction of this market, where it is supposed to go, we said, okay, we already know where this market is supposed to go. All right, we have already identified our areas for liquidity. So what's next is we went to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, the only purpose of 1 hour time frame to see if we can ride the continuation to our areas of liquidity that we have identified on the daily time frame. On the 1 hour time frame right here, you can see this market as it was moving, providing us with minor series of high highs and higher lows. And the moment the market provided us with a shift to this level right here, we said, okay, now this market has given us a go ahead, and probably the market will come to our area of liquidity right here. So we said, okay, let us see how we are going to ride this trend. How are we going to ride this trend? Very simple. Higher highs, higher lows. You can see the market provided us with a week. This was a very go ahead, a very good sign for us to ride this trend. And as you can see, we are trading on a risk reward ratio of 1:3, 1:4, and our take profit has already been hit. As you can see for yourself, the result on the screen, guys and girls, the target was hit, giving me a risk reward ratio, very good risk reward ratio of 1:4 for this particular trade. Because of this level right here, you can see this market did respect previously on this level right here. So to avoid any surprises, and since we are aiming to grow our accounts, and we are afraid of leaving our money on the table, because leaving money on the table can be so frustrating for a trader. So this is our, you can say it's our own approach to the markets. Like if this market is coming to these areas of liquidity, then obviously we will just get a means to ride this trend again. But our risk reward ratio must always be 1:3 and greater. But you can notice that this trade wasn't just about money, it was about sticking to my rules and trusting the process. It is important because you have to understand this so clearly, that Forex trading isn't about guessing, guys and girls. It's about preparation, discipline, and execution. This trade proves that you don't need fancy tools or insider knowledge to win. Just the simple concepts of high highs and high lows, you can win big. You just need this strategy plus patience and the courage to trust your analysis. And remember, every trade is a step closer to your goals. Even if you're just starting out, the key is to keep learning, staying consistent, and never give up. The road to success in Forex trading, I am going to be honest with you, it isn't easy, but it is worth it. All of these trades, all of these calls were given on my Telegram group. If you want to join, the link can be provided in the description below. I wish you the best, and I wish you a very successful trading journey of 2025. Happy New Year, guys and girls, and bye bye.